When the guest gets here, we let them drive. And I think that's super important.
A smile can make a big impact on someone else's day, so always try to emit that good energy.
I've always been a people's person. I joined the business as soon as I turned 18. I love dealing with different people every single day.
It is very important to have people feel welcome. I want to give them the best experience they've had.
So today we have the new LX. We're gonna take it on a test drive. Hop in. I was always into cars, like the whole family growing up. Everyone has their own garage, and I loved it. I believe I am really outgoing. Like, I love people, and we take pride of the experience that we provide the customers. And that's how we go from there.
How's it going today?
Good. Nice to see you guys.
Hey, good to see you too.
Thanks.
When you come in, your service advisor will check you in. Hi, how are you? We'll have a loaner car ready for you. From the advisor to the technicians, everybody's got to be on time and with the best quality possible. This is the shop, so it's pretty impressive.
My grandfather was a mechanic, so I was around it. So it's just something that just came natural to me. As far as space, durability, just functionality, everything. Yeah, I just love them.
Number one, you got to lead by example and getting the most and the best out of every day.
We are the professionals, so we have to fix it. We have to solve the problem. We have to make it happen.
From the top to the bottom, it doesn't matter. It starts with us here at Lexus Santa Monica.